Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel Crochet Fashion. So how are you all? Hope you are very well. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your home inhabitants, and may you continue to enjoy my video like this harming. So friends, today we'll share with you very beautiful crochet designs. Before starting the video, I requested all of you to subscribe to my channel first, and also make sure to follow. Be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs show to you people in it. If you guys are interested in my channel, you get many ideas from this video and share it with your friends and family members. Please like the video and share it with your friends and family members. Let's go, inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my video. To do the crochet work yourself. You can do the work with a beautiful piece of cloth. If you guys are interested in my videos, can take a screenshot from my video and show it to someone else. You can make a similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. Be sure how you like our videos.